Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a quick bread. Normally when I make bread, I make a yeasted bread. It rises again, but with lives getting so busy, I thought why not do a quick bread? This is going to be a savory quick bread. Asiago cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, fresh chopped basil. Need I say more? So come on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to whisk together 2 eggs and 1 cup of buttermilk. Normally, I don't have buttermilk on hand, and that's okay, because you can actually make your own buttermilk by adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 1 cup of milk. And that's how you make buttermilk. In a large bowl, I'm going to combine 2 cups of flour. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and this is a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. And I'm just going to kind of stir this around until everything gets blended together. And now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've cut into chunks. Now, for this part, if you want to save time, you can use a food processor, but I'm using my pastry cutter. It's just my own preference. I like to do this, and we're just gonna cut this butter into our flour mixture. Okay, there we go. This is what it should look like, kind of a grainy mixture. Perfect. Now we're ready for our sun-dried tomatoes. This is 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and these were packed in oil. You want to use the sun-dried tomatoes in oil because it will, if you don't, regular already dried out will dry out your bread. And this is 1½ cups of Asiago cheese. We're gonna mix this up like this. Oh, yummy. Now we're ready for our buttermilk and egg mixture. We're gonna pour this in, and we're just gonna stir this around. See how simple this is? This is going to be, let's see, thick, chunky, and sticky. By the time we get this all mixed together. Oh, this is perfect. Look at this. And the smell is amazing. All right, now we're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna pour it into a 9x5 bread pan or baking pan, whatever you wanna call it. This is a greased 9x5 baking pan. And we're just gonna spread this out so it's nice and even. Now, before we put our bread in the oven, I just want to get a little bit more Asiago on top, because why not? All right, that should be enough. And just a little bit of fresh cracked pepper, because again, why not? We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 50 minutes. That's 50. Look at this. We're out of the oven. Doesn't it look amazing? Here's a closer view. Look at that. Yum. Now there's only one more thing to do, and that is to cut into this and have a bite. All right, here we go. And I think, you know what? I'm just gonna cut it right in the middle and open it up and see what it looks like. Oh my. So you have your basil, you have your sun-dried tomatoes, and the cheese. You can really smell that. Look how it just cuts so easily. Oh my goodness. You know what else you got? Besides the sun-dried tomatoes, besides the basil and the Asiago, I forgot, you get the garlic powder too. All these flavors, match made in heaven. Here's another view. Look at that. This is like a dinner in itself. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. This Asiago sun-dried tomato quick bread is a keeper. Winner for all. It's a perfect addition for a salad at lunchtime or something to have at dinner to accompany your meal. It's perfect. So please let me know if you try it. I love to hear your comments and your feedback. And if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.